How to add another Instagram account to Instagram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add another Instagram account to Instagram app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the drop down arrow just beside your profile name at the top. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on the option labeled as add Instagram account. And now here, once you tap on it, a next pop-up will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on log into existing account. And now after that, once you tap on that, it will prompt you to the login section. Now here you can just tap on this button that says use another profile, and here it will take you to the login screen. Now here you can simply type in another password and Instagram account, and here with that you can simply log in with another Instagram account. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.